In this video, I'm going to show you how to add images to Square items. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your dashboard, click on over here on the left where it says Items and Services, and click on Items. In here, you want to go to your item library, and then of course you want to find the item you want to add image to. So of course you can do it for all of them. You just have to click inside the editing mode with each and every single one, or you could create a new one and start from there. So I'm just gonna go over here and click, for example, on t-shirt over here, and then you have a few options down here. It says you could either drop in the image, you could browse for files, or add from image library. I'm gonna click on browse files. I'm gonna select this image over here, and I'm gonna click on open. Now whenever you do this, as you can see, it's going to start loading, and whenever that's done processing, your image is going to get set up, and this is going to be your primary image. You can add multiple, of course, if you wanna. And now I'm going to click on the save button top right, and you'll see that, of course, now I've successfully added an image to my item. Now of course you can do this for every single one. Just click on the item and then of course upload it in there, and you are good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.